AI-generated content is completely dominating the game right now. There are numerous YouTube channels that are leveraging this trend to go absolutely viral and to get millions of views. Like my channel, for example, I gained almost 40,000 subscribers in just 6 months. Or this Instagram theme page, in the last few months, they literally did tens of millions of views combined. Just look at the numbers. So what is it that they're all doing? They're all using AI to generate an image and then animating the image with a voiceover so it looks like it's talking. But today, I decided to try something new and show you guys a YouTube Shorts creation strategy using this talking avatar method combined with some of my own tricks that I learned in the past. Trust me guys, what we are going to create in this video will completely break the YouTube algorithm. Let me show you a 10-second clip of what we're going to create. So this video is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial of creating a video that you just saw. And if you watch until the end, I will show you a secret AI tool that allows you to translate the video into multiple languages. You heard it correctly. You could immediately start a few channels in different languages. The AI revolution is here, and it's getting crazier day by day. Are you ready for this? Let's go. So this video creation process consists of 3 major steps, and trust me, they are all so easy to follow. First, we will generate a script, generate the voiceover, and create our talking avatar all in one place using an AI tool called Verbo Wondershare. Next, we will gather some free-to-use stock footage from a website called Pexels. This way, we will spice our video up and make it way more engaging with great-looking videos. Finally, we will put everything together using a video editor of your choice. And yes, at the end of the video, I will show you how to repurpose the video that we will create and automatically translate it into multiple languages. So, let's move on to step number 1 and prepare our talking avatar. Like I said previously, we are going to use Verbo Wondershare. I recently discovered this tool and I think it is quite amazing. So this is their website. You will find the link in the description below. And these are some features that this AI tool offers you, like the AI avatars, AI voice, AI script writing, AI video translation, and AI talking photos. So here we have 2 options. You can download this on your computer or you can use this online. So I'm going to download this to my computer. Okay, so once it's downloaded and installed, you will have this interface. And here you can see we have some avatars. So this is a complete list of avatars. You can choose from over 300 plus avatars. You can also browse through different categories like news anchor avatars, avatars for marketing purposes, or just simple lifestyle type of avatar. And you guys can see the list goes on. But if you want to generate the video that you saw at the beginning of this video, you have to click on this fixed background. And here you can see we have a male character and a female character in different clothing. Let's select this template. Click on it and select 9:16 ratio. Now you're going to see this screen. Hang tight, guys. This is where it gets exciting. Just click on this icon at the button right here. And now you can generate an AI script seamlessly. Now let's write this prompt. Generate a short, engaging, motivational story about a girl in this story. The girl is sharing her life experience. Keep it in simple English and engaging. Now press expand and watch AI do the magic. Okay, so this version seems too long, but no problem. Now we can just press shorten and let's yet again watch AI do the magic. Awesome, let's go with this script. Now just press apply, okay? Now let's choose the voice. Click right here. Now choose gender and language. Feel free to click around and listen through the options. When you're ready, hit export, okay? This only took like 1 minute. Now hit download and we are ready to turn this video into a viral masterpiece. But before we proceed, I want to show you another 2 alternative ways of creating avatars with Verbo. So, right here you can click on Talking Photo. Gives you a few options to choose from, or you can upload a photo of your own. Look at this avatar. It is pretty much no different than mine. You can definitely use it to create some viral videos. Alternatively, Verbo offers a transparent background feature. Just select one of these avatars, click on the one you like, and choose transparent background. That way you can export the video and edit it with no issues. On the right side here, you can click on the voice settings. Now, as you can see, you can choose from numerous English dialects and accents. Additionally, you can generate the image in different languages, but we will get back to it later. So now, open the video editing software of your choice and import the video we just created. First of all, cut all the pauses. It is necessary to make the video more engaging. Just grab the blade tool like that and repeat after me. Done, okay? Now we need to get B-roll videos. To make this process super quick and easy, let's go back to Verbo and copy the script of the video. Now, paste that script into ChatGPT and ask what kind of B-roll footage we should use for the video. Ask it to give you just keywords so you can search for them seamlessly. Done. Now simply start pasting your keywords one by one into pixels. As you can see, ChatGPT provided us with 15 keywords. I will only choose about 7 and quickly download the videos. Once it's ready, import them into your video editor. Now, apply some transitions and effects to make the video look smoother. I will quickly apply some basic movement transitions. Once the transitions are done, we'll do the same. I will do this gold sparkles effect. Lastly, apply captions and export your video. Now our video is ready. And yes, guys, remember how I promised you at the start of the video that I will show you how to translate this video into multiple languages. Here we go. Before we do that, let me explain how the pricing works. So in the free plan, you will be able to generate a 2-minute-long video, and it's enough to test the ability of this AI tool. And once you find the value in this AI tool, you can upgrade to their premium plan. And it offers you 3 different plans, so you can pick any one of them according to your need. You guys can find the link in the description below. Now let's create the translated video. Go back to Verbo and click on Video Translator right here. Now obviously upload our video. Keep in mind that in order for this to work, your video should be without existing caption. For the sake of a quick example, I will translate into 2 different languages. First, let's do Hindi. You can also choose to have subtitles on and lip sync. Do I have followers from India here? Let me know how this sounds. Now let's try Japanese language. That was epic. Alright guys, subscribe to the channel if you like this video. See you in the next one.